Hey guys, Chris here with Project Nerf. I know it's been a long time since I put a video up and there's been a lot of questions swirling around that, so today we're going to take a minute and talk about that. Let's do it. All right, so let's just address the big one here. I've had a lot of people asking me, am I done? Am I hanging it up? The answer to that, guys, is absolutely not. I'm going to keep bringing you content, keep doing those mod guides that I know you like, and keep moving forward with the Nerf channel because, you know, it's been around for a while now. I've had a lot of great support, a lot of great friends in you guys, and I'm going to keep working with that. However, here recently during this break and a lot of life events, I've also started a second channel. Now, I touched on it before in one of my videos, and a lot of people said, yeah, I think that would be a cool idea. Why don't you go for it? So let me show you the promo video for that channel. My new one is called Bustedknucklediy. So let's take a look at that. Hey guys, I'm Chris, and you're watching Bustedknucklediy, the channel dedicated to you, the do-it-yourselfer. So whether you're a battle-hardened veteran or just considering your first project, I'm going to share my 20-plus years as a professional mechanic and lifetime of DIYing skills to help you make repairs, complete projects, gain a sense of personal accomplishment, and save money along the way. So guys, thank you for tuning in again to Bustedknucklediy. Let's get wrenching. All right, guys, so yeah, there you have it. That is the intro video that I did for Busted Knuckle. I just now got it up and launched. I've only got a few videos on it, but there's going to be more and more videos being added to that, hopefully on a weekly basis, just like the Nerf channel. So please, I'm going to welcome all of you to jump over there, check it out, hit that sub button, get in those comments, let me know what kind of projects you have going on, and if it's something that maybe I can do a video on to help you out with, that would be great. Really would appreciate your support over there as well. So definitely please check out Bustedknucklediy. So yeah, guys, some of the other stuff that's been going on, my fiance's car just kind of grenaded. That thing finally got to the point where it wasn't worth putting back together anymore, so we had to go through the hassle of getting her a new vehicle. I've had a bunch of stuff going on household. Her father is in the hospital. He's ill. My father has been diagnosed with cancer. Her boss has sadly been diagnosed with cancer. So it's been a tough, like 6-8 weeks here. And just been a little tied up, a little busy. But I think we're coming out of it on the good side. Like I said, we're going to get back to work and get those videos up here for you. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. Click that thumbs up. Hit us in the comments because that really helps us out, as you guys know, with YouTube's algorithm. And in the description box below, I'll put our Facebook and our email if you want to drop us a line, as well as the Facebook and email, and link to Bustedknucklediy. If you guys want to go check it out, please do. Love you lots. Till next time, this is Chris for Project Nerf saying have a blast.